Dear Jesus, it is your Son coming before your throne. I ask you for every single person that needs food on their table, oh God. Provision in this earth where there is abundance. I pray, O Lord, that you would send provision to them. I pray, O God, if they call upon your name and they say, God, I will believe in you and in your power if you send us provision. I will serve Jesus for the rest of my life if you send us provision. Jesus, I loose provision to these people who seek your face and call upon your name to prove yourself real. I command that they be fed by you, just like you did in the Bible for your people who called upon your name. Show them, God, that you are real. Let your power manifest through provision, that they know there is a God that sits on the throne, who hears his people's call to him, who hears his children reach out to him. For Lord, when you provide for them, forgive them, O Lord, if they do turn from you. For they are God are but sheep. But they are your sons and daughters, whom you died on the cross for. They will turn back to you, O God, for they will need your provision again. And when they turn back to you and say, Jesus, help us, for all we have is you. Send us somebody, O God, to help us. We need provision. We need food. We need water. And I don't know where it's going to come from. But Jesus, if you are real, send us somebody. God, every time they pray the prayer, provide for these people, oh God. For they are calling upon your name. Extend your mercy and your grace to them. And God, I command that we send them provision. The heavens be opened up, and that your provision would flow through this earth to those who call upon your name and say, Jesus, feed us. Manifest yourself to us. Prove yourself real to the people who do not believe. Show them, God, that prayer to Jesus, faith in Jesus, that you are real. In your mighty name I pray.